guys, my name is RO-MiNA and today I'm at Laser Remedy Med Spa, my absolute favorite laser place in Philadelphia. I'm going to be giving you a small tour and also telling you about some of the benefits of laser. Follow me. So this is the room where you would be getting lasered in, and this is the laser machine. One of my favorite parts about laser is that it makes your skin smooth. So even when you're cold, you don't get those spiky goosebumps, and your hair, when it does grow back, grows back super thin and you never have spikes, which is something that I suffered with my entire life. I would shave and by midday, that 5 o'clock shadow would come back and my legs would be spiky again. The other great part about laser is you actually have to shave before you come in. Unlike waxing, where you have to grow out a bush, you actually shave before your laser, so your skin is always smooth. You can shave in between and you can shave right before. But you actually won't have to shave after getting lasered. There's about a 2-month period where your hair doesn't grow at all, and after about 6 to 10 sessions, your hair will completely stop growing. Eventually, you may need a touch-up or two, once or twice a year. I've had about 10 laser treatments already. I have very thick black hair and dark skin. There's a lot of different skin types, a lot of different hair types, and here at Laser Remedy, they have specific lasers tailored to your hair type and your skin. That's why I love it. I've been to a lot of different laser places before, and none of them have worked the way that Laser Remedy does. So trust me on this, if you want to get rid of your hair, this is where you want to be. The only time that I need to shave is before coming to Laser Remedy or before going on a vacation. I don't shave throughout the vacation because that one shave is enough to keep me smooth and clean the entire time. That's why I love it. One of the great things about laser is that it eliminates bumps and ingrown hairs, so you don't have to worry about that. I know that a lot of women get bumps and ingrown hairs around their groin area and the bikini lines. You will not have that problem with laser. I grew up having that issue, and once I got lasered, it's completely gone. It also takes away that 5 o'clock shadow that a lot of women get on their legs or their underarms. You won't have to deal with that after getting lasered. One of the most common questions I personally get is it painful? It is a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but it's way less painful than waxing, and it's completely bearable, and only some parts are painful. But the laser technicians here are amazing, they're very patient, and the parts that hurt a lot, they actually give me ice, so you ice it right before, and you hardly feel it once they zap you. Like I said, I've been to a lot of different places to get lasered, and here at Laser Remedy, not only are the prices the best, but the results are the best. So if you want good pricing and great lasers with the best results, this is where you should come. So I'm gonna introduce you guys to the boss lady of Laser Remedy, Nurit. Hi.
Beautiful, RO-MiNA.
How are you?
Hi guys, I'm Nurit from Laser Remedy. We've been in the industry for 10 years and we have the latest technology for laser hair removal. We treat all skin types, light skin, dark skin, all hair textures.
So I think one of the most common questions is how much does laser cost?
Laser hair removal is very affordable today. We start at $99. It's unlimited for 1 year. You pay a fee up front and you come every month for a year. It's extremely affordable.
Especially here at Laser Remedy. There's a lot of other laser places that charge insane prices, but here it's affordable and, like I said before, the best results.